How to know who has used your WhatsApp account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how to know if someone has used your WhatsApp account or someone has an access of your WhatsApp account. In order to view this, you'll need to do certain steps. First of all, update the application. After that, log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll need to, from the home page, click on the three dot icon, go to link device. Here you'll be able to see device that your account is currently logged into. So you'll be able to see where you're actually logged in and on what device you're actually logged in. So you can also remove it by tapping on the remove button, and that particular devices will be removed. Apart from it, what else you can do is you can also check your WhatsApp activity. So when you open your WhatsApp, you'll first see a list of message. Review the list of message you didn't send or receive from people you don't know. After that, check your contact information. In order to check your contact information, so if the interloper tries to hijack your account, they'll start changing your contact information on mobile. Tap the three vertical dot in the upper right hand side corner. After that, go to settings. Once you're on this page, go to your profile. Review the information and verify that it is accurate or up to date or not by tapping on it. If anything has changed or something, or there is information that you do not recognize, you'll need to secure your account. Follow the steps in order to secure the account. You'll need to set up two-factor authentication. You go back to your settings page, go to privacy. Here you need to go to account, which is right on top. Click on two-step verification. So click on turn on. You'll need to create a 6-digit PIN. After that, for the confirmation, you need to type in twice. If you want the verification code to be recovered, then type in the email address, and as soon as you've done that, the verification code or the two-step verification will be added to your account. Apart from it, what else you can do is you can also set a fingerprint or a finger lock. So for that, you need to go to privacy. Here you need to scroll down a bit, go to fingerprint lock. You'll need to toggle the switch and confirm your fingerprint, and that is how you can enable fingerprint lock on WhatsApp. So that is basically how you can know who uses your WhatsApp account or who has an access of your WhatsApp account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.